CCTV camera in spas unquestionably infract on right to privacy, bodily autonomy, according to Madras High Court Madurai bench. For more information, we shall move to inside the video. I kindly request all the viewers to watch this small video in full. Now we shall go to inside the video. Madurai bench of the Madras High Court on Tuesday observed that a recent judgment of the court directing installation of CCTV cameras in a spa was violative of fundamental right to privacy. P.L. Biswas versus the Commissioner of Police. Justice G.R. Swaminathan said the right to privacy under Article 21 includes the right of an individual to avail means of relaxation. In this case, in a spa, the installation of CCTV equipment inside premises such as a spa would unquestionably infringe upon a person's bodily autonomy. These are inviolable spaces where the prying eye of the state simply cannot be allowed to enter, the court held. The court made the observations while hearing a plea seeking direction to the police to issue a no objection certificate NOC for the petitioner to run a spa. During the course of proceedings, the government counsel informed the court that while dealing with a similar petition, Justice S.M. Subramaniam passed an order directing installation of CCTV cameras in all spas across the state with a view to preventing illegal activities. On receiving information of such order, Justice Swaminathan contemplated whether the same should be recalled and referred to a large bench, since the law laid down by the Supreme Court stated that a coordinate bench cannot take a contrary view and can only refer the matter for consideration by a larger bench. However, Justice Swaminathan opined that when the law was already laid down by the Supreme Court, one was obliged to follow it. In my humble opinion, and I say this with the greatest of respect to my revered brother judge, the judgment in CP Girija versus the Superintendent of Police and others appears to run counter to the law laid down by the 9-judge bench judgment of the Honorable Supreme Court. The order stated that restrictions on fundamental rights, though permissible, fell under the domain of the legislature or the executive and could not be curtailed by judicial measures except by the Supreme Court. A decision to install a CCTV camera which has a bearing on a person's privacy requires the most careful of considerations. It requires the government to apply its mind prudently and determine what manner of regulations ought to be put in place for its proper use, holding that the right to relax would be exercised in many forms. The court said that the suspicion of immoral activities taking place in massage centers cannot be reason enough to intrude into an individual's right to relax, for it intrinsically is part and parcel of his fundamental right to privacy. The court cited the Supreme Court's judgment in Navtej Singh Johar versus Union of India, where it was held that in matters of one's private affairs, constitutional morality shall trump public morality. Justice Swaminathan further noted that the time had come to look beyond viewing privacy as an individual right. He quoted from a work of Professor Priscilla M. Regan, where she highlighted the importance of developing and understanding of the social importance of privacy. In the case before the court, the police was directed to consider the petitioner's representation and dispose the same after consideration on merits within 4 weeks. Advocates N. Edwin Jaykumar and S. Leonard Vasanth appeared for the petitioner. Advocate M. Sakti Kumar appeared for the state. Hello viewers, from this video you may know CCTV camera in spas unquestionably infract on right to privacy, bodily autonomy according to Madras High Court. Suspicion that immoral activities are taking place in massage centers cannot be a reason enough to intrude into an individual's right to privacy, the court held. If you are liking this video means kindly press the like button as well as share to your friends and relatives. I kindly request all the viewers to subscribe this Aravindar and Arul channel. Moreover, I thank you for your valuable time spent for watching this video. Your response has been highly appreciated. Once again, thank you very much.